The next model I'm working with is Steven, and Steven has a haircut that is very common. It's kind of a disconnected undercut. It is grown out a little bit, but I felt that it was a good length to kind of show off a little more length on the sides, and also the top is a good length too. And I felt Clutch is a great product for his hair because of the thick texture, and I really wanted to see how Clutch reacted in his hair, and it gave me the results I was looking for. I scooped it out, worked it through my hands, and applied it very generously to his hair. Now, he also did the same as well. He took the product, scooped it out, worked it through his hands, and when he applied it to his hair, I think he was really shocked of how easy it was to work into the hair and how immediate he got results from it. So Clutch is definitely a good product for a thick hair type, medium hair type as far as the texture goes and the density, and especially if you're looking to get really, really great pliability and great results. And the hold factor is there, and the longevity factor is there as well. You can go back in hours from when you first apply it and reshape and restyle your hair. I chose Ice for Steven for this look because, again, with him, I want to go for a more formal look, and I also wanted something that would provide him a sleek, cool finish throughout the rest of the day. So in case he was deciding to go out to something for maybe a nice dinner, or he wanted something a little more formal and slick back, Ice really, really does provide that pliability, that longevity, and just gives it a perfect finish. Thank you so much for watching. You can purchase my products at TheSalonGuy.com/shop, and I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.